Yerp. Two minutes. Let's go. Just to prove to you guys that I made a thumbnail just today. I'm wearing the same shit. It's the same fit you're going to see on YouTube. The same fit. I'm excited. Let's go. Me and somebody else are waiting to watch this. So I'm experiencing this moment with one other person at least, if nobody else. Let's go. It's supposed to be playing a video though. What's up with that video, YouTube? Ooh. Doggy. 60 seconds. Oh, scary, man. Putting yourself out there. Scary. Because this world is wild, bro. People judge you for everything. But I don't get it, though. There's supposed to be a video, like a cinematic video going like, vom, 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 you know, getting the people, that crowd hyped up for this video. Like, I'm not getting it. I'm not getting that hype video right now. What's going on, YouTube? Okay. The people are waiting still. It says two waiting, so it's still me and somebody else going through these motions. Ooh-wee. Try that baseline. Premiere will begin shortly. But what's like, I'm so disappointed in this video that was promised. Or maybe I just didn't do it right. Let's see if I say it up right. Can you imagine? It don't come up. What up? All right, it's time. It's so anticlimactic. What's going on here? Hey, oh, there we go. Oh shit, we live. Oh shit, we live, baby, we live. Let's go. Appreciate it. This was the video I was talking about. This was the anticlimactic video that was supposed to be playing. I guess I have to set it 5 minutes prior, right? Because this is a 5-minute countdown. Oh, damn. I'm learning. Well, we're going to be here for a good 5 minutes again. Climactic. Is this building up the suspense? This was supposed to be... Oh, all right. Note to self. Set timer to like 5 minutes before video is supposed to start, bro. Or let's say 10 minutes, right? Because this shit about to go on for 5 minutes. Anyway, let me make it big so you feel like we're in the movies, bro. Are you guys ready? Are you ready to rumble? You're not ready. You're not ready. You're not ready. Yeah. I'm not ready either. I have to wait another 4 minutes now. All right. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Anyway, back to me. Back to me. Back to me. I know you guys can't hear the sounds. I can hear it in my headphones. But if you go on YouTube, you can watch this with me right now. Let's go. Bruv, I cannot believe this shit, man. I didn't know how this shit works. I thought it was going to start 5 minutes before, so you get the crowd hyped 5 minutes before, but not when it's time. Come on, man. All right. Technical difficulties. We waiting for about it's been about 2 minutes now? 3 more minutes and we live. This is the same shit I was wearing during the thumbnail, by the way, okay? Just to show you, I did that shit just today. Maybe I should just use the thing so you guys can hear it. But I don't want to have to hear myself. Ugh. All right, let's see. Just disconnect that. Oh yeah. So I don't have to wear this. You guys are gonna hear it because you're close. I'm excited. I'm proud of this, I made some mistakes in this video. It's not gonna be perfect, but it's my first video. I'm proud of it. Everybody have to start somewhere. I cannot believe this shit, bro. Okay, 4 minutes. 4 minutes. One more minute. All right. Okay. 1 more minute. Longest 5 minutes of my life. Do I really want to hear myself? I hate hearing myself speak. But I like to talk. But I hate hearing myself speak. Like a recording, I hate that shit. I'm so annoyed at this shit right here. But it's cool though, it's a cool feature. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Now what happens? Okay, that's me. Oh shit. I'm about to turn the sound off. Let's go. I don't want that one there. Ah! That's me. Yo.
Also this week, we had the March equinox. The March equinox is the moment the sun crosses the celestial equator.
Let's turn this shit up.
Use this. To the celestial equator, which is an imaginary line in the sky above the Earth's equator, from south to north. From south to north.
You know what I meant. I meant south. I meant to, I know it's north and south. Don't correct me.
One in March and one in September. I didn't know that, so I thought that was pretty interesting and cool.
Can you guys hear? Can you hear?
So much to discover and learn. Welcome to Trade of the Day,
Let's
a
go.
weekly series coming to you every Saturday on The Trader. We'd love to know where in the world you're tuning in from, so post in the comments where you're watching or listening to from today.
That's
My name
me.
is Alice, and I help traders and investors who struggle with confidence
That's me.
to make money in the financial markets, find consistency, and scale to achieve financial freedom, time freedom, and location freedom. I believe trading is the greatest wealth building tool of all time, and everybody should have access to this skill. I'm on a mission to impact.
That's it now. I'm out there. I put myself out there. I'm out there.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Coming up this week, this is how you could have made 5% in the market. Taking one trade a week, using one model, risking no more than 2% of your equity, looking for 1 to 3 risk to reward, risking 2% to make 6%. We had a total of 3 trades this week for a potential return of 18%. But remember, we only need 1 trade to make 5%. Let's break down this week's trades.
It's not going back down.
This
It's
is
not going
not
back.
financial advice, and that trading
This
comes
is
with real
definitely not financial advice. Trading is definitely risky. You will definitely lose money.
The markets this week. Let's talk about having a trading edge and what that entails. A trading edge is one of the 3 pillars every trader needs to have in their trading to survive and thrive in the financial markets. Confidence in your trading edge comes from 3 things: understanding the market and how it operates, having one trading model that has IPDA signatures, and 3, having a plan and process that you follow every single day. Successful trading, guys, is really boring. You're doing the same thing over and over and over again. This is the 3-step process I use to take trades weekly. Step 1 is the condition. This is based on a higher time frame directional bias. Step 2 is the stage. What sets up your trade? What does it actually looks like? Step 3, we have execution.
Look like. Come on, man. Speak English.
Have your entry criteria been met? The most important step is step 2, the stage. Because once you understand where the market is going and you understand the setup, the entry is easy. If you understand price flows that occur around key highs and lows, then you will have
I didn't edit this. I don't know how to edit
videos.
videos, so
nugget for you there, free of charge.
All the look is all in there.
Condition: determine higher time frame directional bias.
You heard that? Yup. That's from the video. That's not live.
What is it reaching for? This week, we were expecting the weekly candle to expand higher.
Yep.
This doesn't mean that it has to close higher.
We're just looking for predominant movement to the upside. Yep. Tell them. Tell them.
Down closed candles are supporting price higher. Price is finding it easy to break highs.
If you want to know what I'm watching my first video on YouTube that just premiered on YouTube. We're watching it live together right now. This is a special moment for me, okay? So if you're live right now, you're in the midst of a very, very special moment for me. I appreciate you being here. Thank you.
Step 2, the stage.
I see you, Marcus. Appreciate you, brother.
First, we look at the economic calendar for the week. It tells us when to look for a setup. We look for medium to high impact news drives to narrow our focus. We stalk setups on calendar day and after the news release. The optimal days and times to trade this week.
The more I do this, the easier it's gonna get.
Sessions,
just
Wednesday,
about
the PM session,
just getting over the nerves.
Sessions, Friday, all sessions. Secondly, we look at what sets up the trade. What does it look like? This will be your model. Since we're expecting the weekly candle to predominantly expand higher, we went into the market hunting long formation.
All right.
For our buy model,
we
want to see liquidity
taking below kilo. Yup. Displacement higher causes a market structure shift.
We wait for a short-term low to form in the market structure, and we set our limit on the short-term low. Stop loss.
Yep, I never in there.
It sounds complicated.
I need to stop doing
if you're
that.
Hearing it for the first time, but it's really simple. You just need to keep showing up and keep showing up on the charts.
Yeah, I forgot what I was gonna say there.
Now let's see it in action this week.
Let's go.
Tuesday, March 19th, we had the medium impact news at 8:30. So we're looking for a setup to form.
This was your first opportunity to make 5% for the week and be done. So Tuesday, you would have been done trading for the week after this trade.
Until after the news. So as you can see, we had a setup.
So you're not putting a lot on yourself to take 100 trades a week. You just need one trade, just one trade. Following everything I tell you, and you make 5%.
Short-term low to form in the market structure. After the market structure shift has happened, we're waiting for a short-term low to form in market, and we had the short-term low right here.
Right here.
So our entry would be right here. Stop loss. Dead. Here, and we're targeting 1 to 3, risking 2% per trade. Entry time was 12:11. We exit that trade at 12:30. Trade drawdown was 18 ticks. For total time in the trade was 19 minutes.
19 minutes in the trade to make 5%.
Of let's say 100K, risking
100K account, risking 2%, 6,000 to make 6%. That would have been 6K in 19 minutes.
Then we had another trade of the day.
It's about the skill, though.
20th of March. We had FOMC.
I'm still doing it. That was real life.
Stayed the same at 5.5. So FOMC, we're looking for a model to form after the news release. As you can see here, the setup formed prior to the news release, and our initial entry would not have been tagged anyway, nor would we begin in the trade because it's before the trade.
That you
I
follow
do have
a
a
system.
re-entry model which
tells you what
right
to
here,
do, when to do it.
Me,
and if you don't see it, you don't do nothing.
1 to 3
Simple.
that we're looking for, risking 2%. I'll go in this trade. I would have gone this trade here at 2:34.
I'm speaking in all in can't even speak in hypotheticals, you know, like if you had took the trade, if you had gotten right there, if you had knew the model, it's not like I did it, you know. Some of them I did trade, but
I actually was able to get a quick 1 to 3 real life time right here on the trading view. Many of you saw on my Instagram and TikTok that my actual entry wasn't tagged, but I was able to get in on trading view. We move. Anyway, that was the trade of the day on Wednesday. I
think we're like 5 already.
Bagged and tagged.
Bagged and tagged, baby.
Then Friday, last day of the trading week, we had a setup form news. We had 9 a.m. Fed chair. We don't really care what he's talking about. We're just looking for a setup to form. So we're waiting for a setup to form after 9. Here we had liquidity.
Any other day, I don't have to clear my throat, you know.
Displacement higher causes a market structure shift. We wait for a short-term low to form in the market structure after the
lost my train of thought there.
Market structure shifts after a high is taken. Here we had the short-term low form. Yeah, so your entry going on, it was a lunch session trade. Your entry would be right in here at 12:36. Exiting the trade for 1 to 3 at 4 p.m. Trade drawdown was 13 ticks.
Let me let you see what's
Total
going
time
on.
in this trade was 14 minutes. Okay. Yes, another 6% bagged and tagged.
Baby, bagged and tagged, baby. Let's go home. You coming home with me.
All right, that brings us to the end of the week. As you can see, this is...
It's quick, though. The video is only like, what?
Before, and this is after.
It's only like 11 minutes.
After the week close Friday. All right, so here we was anticipating the weekly candle to expand higher. It ended up closing higher this week. And that's what unfolded this week. This week, we showed you 3 opportunities that could have netted you
5%.
At least 5% with 2% risk. If you had taken all 3 of these trades,
that's 18% in 1 week.
For the week, not bad for a week's work, right?
Yeah.
But remember, we're only looking for 1 trade that will net us
5%.
And we're done trading for the week.
Done.
So far for the month of March, we would be up 18%.
If you were taking
and our
1 trade.
goal really is 20%. This skill is not easy to master, but
not.
it's also not impossible.
It's not impossible.
You only fail when you quit.
Yes, sir.
If you found this information valuable, then please make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications
if you haven't already.
Thank you for watching and tuning in to Trade of the Day. See you all next Saturday, same time,
same place. Happy hunting.
Happy hunting.
Woo! Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Did you get it? Did you get it? Did you get it? Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in on my first video premiere. All right, chill out. If you were here with me today, I appreciate you. This is the first step to greatness. I mean, everybody started from somewhere, and this is my beginning. So if you were here, thank you. Today, like, this was the fit. You see it? You see the resemblance? Do you see it? Yeah, this was it. All right, bye guys. How do I shut this shit down? How do I shut this shit down? How do I do this? Peace.